Hey, it's Michael Bernier of Think Outside, and I love this plant.
Hey plant lovers, we are back at Ricardo's Nursery in Long Beach, California, and today we are talking about the Rosemerinus officinalis prostratus. Try saying that 3 times fast. Otherwise known as creeping rosemary, and I love this plant. Creeping rosemary is one of my favorite ground covers. I love to use this plant in so many different applications, is planting it over walls. This baby creeps over walls like nobody's business. And that is the Rosemerinus officinalis prostratus. Again, say that 3 times. I can't even say it 1 time fast. Otherwise known as creeping rosemary, much easier to say. And I love this plant. So thanks for tuning in, and remember, think outside, live outside, and make your world a more beautiful place.